Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you get started with Quicken Simplifi. First, create your account and set up your personal profile. Then, securely link all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments. After connecting, take a moment to review the initial data import to ensure everything is accurate and ready for tracking. This foundational step is crucial for reliable financial insights. Next, dive into organizing your finances by categorizing transactions. This helps you understand where your money goes. Then, create a personalized spending plan to manage your income and expenses effectively. Simplifi makes it easy to set realistic budget goals and track your progress, helping you stay on top of your financial commitments. Simplifi empowers you to set and achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment or a dream vacation. You can also monitor your net worth, seeing how your assets and liabilities change over time. Utilize the robust reporting features to generate insightful summaries, giving you a clear picture of your overall financial health. To get the most out of Simplifi, explore its advanced features. Create custom watch lists to monitor specific spending categories or investments closely. Set up alerts for important financial events, like large transactions or upcoming bills, ensuring you never miss a beat. Don't forget to use the convenient mobile app for managing your finances anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.